sometimes in the afternoon, I like to get a little bit of a protein boost without having to think about snacking on chips or something like that. So I want savory and I want to kind of control the amount of protein that I get. Today, I'm going to use unflavored hemp protein that we got at a trade show. So one scoop of this is 20 grams, and that is equivalent of 15 grams of protein. So I'm going to use that in here first. And here is my scoop. There it is right there. And I'm going to do 2 of these. So I get 30 grams of protein. There we go, like that. And I often get asked, what's my favorite flavor of broth? And I have to say, Lori and I created all of them, so they're all our favorites. But today I'm going to use the tomato basil. And typically when I do a powder like this, I'm not going to steep the bag. I'm going to just rip it open and just pour everything in. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And I've got my water. I'm adding approximately, I think this is an 8-ounce cup, so I'm adding approximately about 6 ounces of water. And I've got it's a milk frother. What's great about the milk frother is it does wonders for blending stuff up. So I'm just let's see if I can show you what this looks like here. It's blending it all up. And what's nice about the hemp protein is that it doesn't coagulate like whey. I had some protein coffee yesterday that was made from whey, and it kind of clumped up at the top. Okay, so let's see. Am I done here? I keep doing that. And I'm going to finish it off with a spoon. Like that. It's got the consistency of like pea soup, but it doesn't taste like pea protein tastes like pea soup. But the hemp doesn't really have a flavor. It's more of a nutty flavor, but the tomato basil kind of comes through, and there we go. So we have a tomato basil hemp protein. This is 30 grams of protein, and it's going to take me through all the way to dinner. Thanks. Bye.